how to get a free Discord Nitro without a credit card. So if you want to get Discord Nitro for free for like a month or 2 weeks without having a credit card, let me show you how you're going to do it. So basically, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to either Discord, or you can even try it off from Epic Games, because Epic Games and Discord, they both give us the Nitro trial. So obviously you're going to want to make sure to log in with all of this, and you can explore the Nitro. And here it says try 2 weeks for free, so you can try these 2 weeks for free. Obviously it's going to ask you for your credit card. Now in the case that it does ask you for your credit card, what you can do is you're going to simply come over here and you're going to search up fake credit card generator. Okay, I'm just going to write that here. You have test card numbers, and you can obviously test these card numbers with the PayPal developers, and obviously keep testing until you get a proper card. And once you get that proper card, just go ahead, add that to your branding. And that's pretty much about it. So as you can see, you can also see the success of these cards. To choose a successful card, add it to your Discord Nitro, and it should buy the 14-day trial. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.